and here at our Markaz, where we have just concluded a condolence gathering held in memory of our esteemed teacher and Shaykhul Islam wal Muslimin, Ustazul Asatiza, Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Salman Hussaini Nadwi, Rahimahullah. May Allah have mercy on him. To be completely honest, it feels unreal that such a radiant beacon of knowledge, of wisdom, insight, and sincere concern for the Ummah is no longer among us. Hazrat was not merely a distinguished scholar or an eloquent orator. He was, what you can say, an institution in himself, a living intellectual tradition, and one of the strongest voices calling for the unity of the Muslim Ummah. His remarkable contributions to Hadith and Quranic exegesis, and especially Seerah and Islamic Dawah and spiritual and moral reform, and apart from that, intellectual guidance. These were the things which will continue to inspire generations, while thousands of his students and lovers across the world will carry forward his what you can say this invaluable legacy he left behind. And currently we are at our Darul Uloom Markazul Imam Rahmatullah Al-Karam, and this is our mosque, Masjid Shaykhul Islam, where we were gathered for the condolences and for dua and Isal Sawab. And on a personal level, whenever I think of Hazrat, when my mind returns to the cherished memories of our final meeting, which I think it was last year with my father, Shaykhul Hadith Maulana Qari Abid Hussain Nadwi Sahab Damat Barakatuhum. I still remember it vividly. His affection, warmth, heartfelt prayers, and humble simplicity, and the unforgettable kindness with which he personally served us food are moments that we'll treasure for the rest of my life. I'm also reminded of my early days at the Darul Uloom Nadwatul Ulama. I would quietly slip into his classroom and sit at the back simply to listen his lectures. At that time, I could not fully comprehend everything he taught, yet my admiration for his personality and my profound respect for his scholarship became permanent and engraved upon my heart. And as you can see, I am at our institution, Markazul Imam. You can see the students are coming out of the mosque. Today, at our institution, arrangements were made for the recitation of the Holy Quran, the conveyance of siwar, means Isal Sawab, and special supplications for the departed soul. And we collectively pray to Allah Almighty to elevate his ranks in the hereafter. And our hearts are heavy with grief, yet we remain content with the decree and wisdom of Allah Azza wa Jal. May Allah Azza wa Jal grant our beloved teacher and beloved person and scholar who has departed this world, Hazrat Maulana Salman Hussaini Nadwi Sahab, completely may Allah forgive him and illuminate his grave with divine light, and bless him with the highest ranks in Jannatul Firdaus, and enable us to continue the noble and scholarly and intellectual and missionary legacy that he devoted his life to. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen. And we, the staff and the members of our institutions, Markazul Imam Rahmatullah Al-Karanwi and Darul Uloom Jamiatul Muqri Fateh Muhammad Al-Islamiyya, which is also situated in Panipat, Haryana, and Darul Uloom Jamia Ummul Mu'mineen Aisha Siddiqa Lil Banat, and its founder and director, my father Hazrat Shaykhul Hadith Maulana Abid Hussain Nadwi, and president Hazrat Maulana Matlub Hassan Nadwi Sahab, and our grandfather and esteemed guardian of these institutions, Hafiz Haji Muhammad Ayyub Sahab Damat Barakatuhum. We all pray for Hazrat and for every loved ones. We gathered for condolences of him, and we hope for the better future of their students and their loved ones, and especially their family and all of the ones, and especially the society of Nadwa Darul Uloom Nadwatul Ulama and its members and all of them. And apart from them, may Allah also illuminate the grave of Hazrat Murshidul Ummat Hazrat Maulana Rabi Hassani Nadwi Sahab Rahimahullah, and who was Khalifa of Mufakkir Islam Hazrat Maulana Abul Hassan Ali Hassani Nadwi Rahimahullah. May Allah illuminate the graves of these persons. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen. And we heartily we and our institutions and the committee and the staff and the members, we heartily